Here are 3 ways to automate using Acumatica Cloud ERP, a solution that boosts efficiency and drives growth through powerful, intelligent automation. Automated inventory and warehouse management. Acumatica can automatically generate purchase orders based on a minimum, maximum, or safety stock threshold. Automate material allocation upon receipt and automatically release production orders when components are ready. Leverage automated forecasting and gain visibility with allocation reports. Business events, a powerful capability designed to automate complex processes throughout the system. These events can be triggered by predefined business rules or specific record changes, or they can be scheduled to run automatically, enabling the system to perform actions like auto-allocating material or releasing production orders without manual intervention. Automated financial processes. We can see Acumatica's machine learning skills with AP doc recognition. From the accounts payable workspace, the system will identify key data from digital copies or even take info straight out of your email. As you make corrections, Acumatica will learn what fields to populate for next time. The bill will then be filled in automatically, with a PDF attached, saving manual entry time. Acumatica automation frees your team from routine tasks, allowing them to focus on what truly matters. To learn more about Acumatica's automation features and capabilities, visit our website at wm-synergy.com.